I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. From bookkeeping to technical automation, we are the back office partner your contracting business deserves.
Watch this video to learn how to review and enter organization details in Xero. Click your organization name, then select Settings. Choose Organization Details from the General section. This is where you'll enter basic business information. Toggle on Display Additional Details to display on your online invoices, and select the checkbox next to the information you want to display. We recommend you include as much information as possible on your online invoices. Click Upload Logo to add a logo that will appear on invoices you send directly from Xero. Hover over the information icon for advice on best results for your logo upload. Next, check the display name, legal trading name, industry, and organization type fields are correct based on the information entered when the organization was initially purchased. The display name is what you see in Xero, for example, on the home page. The legal trading name appears on reports, invoices, and quotes generated by Xero, and should match your government registered business name. Confirm the industry and organization type are correct. If they need updating, or if the fields are blank, enter the required details. If you have an official business number registered with your government, enter it to ensure it appears on your financial documents. You can also add an organization description, which will appear on invoices sent from Xero. Scroll down to the Contact Information section to enter your business address and contact details. Enter your postal address. Select the Same as Postal Address checkbox if your physical address is the same. Otherwise, enter your physical address separately. Add your other contact details, including your phone numbers, email address, website, and any social media links. Including your contact information is a great way to ensure your customers can easily reach you. Click Save to confirm your changes. Review and enter your organization details so Xero has the information to help you run your business.